welcome to our channel. My name is Pranvi and this is my sister Paurnami. Since Christmas is coming up, today I am making a star to decorate our homes. You can surprise your parents by making this star at home. Let's get started. The things we need to make a star are a sheet, a glitter, a glue, a scale, scissors, pencil, paintbrush, and a lid to make a circle, or you can also use a compass and a twine. So let's start. We need 2 circles to make the star. So I'm folding the art sheet like this to get 2 circles the same size. Now let's cut it out. And then this side. Now we need to fold the paper like this. Okay, like this. Now we need to draw a line like this. From here to here, then from here to here. And then need to draw a line here. The same thing this side. And now we need to cut this out. So we are going to draw a few lines here. So we can not drawing the same lines on this one because I'm going to cut it like this to get the same shape. Are you feeling bored? Yes, I feel like doing something. Then I got an idea. What? Look, with these extra pieces, why don't you make something? Let me think about it. I think so. I can make something with it. Okay. I can make a lotus. Okay then, here we go. And these. Yes. Okay, I've cut out all those extra pieces. Now let's take it. My route is I need to have glue. Oh. Okay, now we need to fold it like this. To here. The same thing. This way. Then for all the sides you need to... Do you need the glue? Oh yeah, I would need it after. Okay then. Should I open it and give you? You can close it. Or it might dry. That's why I told. Okay. Same way on this one. Okay. I've done making the folds in both of the sheets. The folds are there for both of them. Now we need to make a small line here. So it should be 1.5 centimeter. Okay. 1. Are you going to cut it after you draw these lines? Yeah. Okay. Now we can cut through these lines. You need to cut these. Okay, I've done cutting. Have you already made the star? Not yet. So now we need to fold this to this middle line. Like this. So it will become like this. Same thing for all the other sides. About to finish. Just a bit more left to stick. Do this looks like a leaf? Oh yeah, it does. It's a good way that you gave me these pieces because I can make a lotus. And the last one. Ever to finish? Yeah, so it will become something like this. Huh? What do you mean? Oh, it really looks like a star. Yeah. The same thing on this paper. And then folding these two. Now, need to glue it. Can you give me the glue? Yeah. Will this glue? Need to draw a line of glue here. It looks like you're using a pencil glue. Yeah. And now we need to stick this on this. Become like this. I think I'm taking the full glue. The same thing for all the other sides. Oh no, this it's got ruined. But that's okay. You can just try again. At least the glue comes out. That's just a problem. Yep, now it's better. Look how I did it. Oh, nice. Okay. If you actually leave all these stripes like this, it looks like a W. Look. Okay, now I'm done with both of the halves. Okay. Now we need to put the twine . You can also use normal glue to stick it, but it will take a lot of time to stick. Now I'm going to stick these two together. Just the last part is putting glitter. Yeah. It may take time to stick. So now we need to put the glitter over here. Now we need to apply the glue. Okay, now let's put glitter. Glitter time. I'm gonna put some. We need to put lot of glue to make the glitter stick. So the star is ready. Now we need to apply some glue and water on the star so that the glitter doesn't come out. The star is ready. These two are the other stars I made. Isn't it good? Yeah, it's very pretty. Guys, you should try it. I'm sure you can do it. I have made this lotus with the leftover paper that was used for the star. Thanks for watching. Bye.